Hi agents, let's talk about some changes that are coming that you need to be aware of. One is what I call thumbs up. It's the T47 form. Now both of them are still going to be able to be used. There are just going to be two of them. First one is the T47 form as we know it today that takes being notarized when the seller signs it. You can still continue to use that form if you choose to. The second one is now a new T47 form that does not need to be notarized, which is an amen. It's a little confusing at the signature block, so I'm going to tell you to take some time and read through it because once your seller gets it, they're probably going to call you, but it makes it much better because they do not have to have it notarized. The next change is contracts are being updated to where the brokerage fee is now going to be able to be inserted in the contract in a similar place where we've had it before, but with different language. And as of the 16th of December, the addendum for brokerage fees and other things you will find disappearing from your forms because they are no longer going to be available. So make sure that you look for that updated contract since Trek made those changes that help with how you fill out what you're going to get paid and who's paying who in the contract. So those are three updates you need to be aware of. Make sure that you go through and look at those changes. As always, if you have questions or want to have some questions answered in reference to what I just talked about, please feel free to reach out and let us know. You can always contact us via email or by the office phone, 210-305-5665.